Hello everyone. So in this lecture I am going to explain the other text transformation. So I am going to explain about replace text transformation. So let me go to the transformation. This is replace text transformation. So enter a term to search for. So here we have to insert the value that we want to replace. So here I want to replace this value. Now here we have to insert the value that will replace the existing value that I have given in this term to search for. So I just want to replace CSM with shortcut. And let's see the result. So here it must be replaced with CSM. We can see we have CSM now. So I will give you little bit more about this replace text transformation. So just let it be load. Yeah. So when I click a replace transformation, we can see we have a setting option. So it is still loading. Yes, it's loaded now. So in the setting we have multiple options. First is whole word. So by default it takes a whole word. Another is case sensitive, means this will search for case sensitive. Next is use reject. So we can use a regular expression here, but that regular expression syntax we have to use of JavaScript, not SQL regular expression. And the SQL regular expression I will explain in advanced SQL class. And now null value and empty string. So we can when we click on null value, we don't need to insert any of the value here. So it will search null value in the item vendor column and it will replace with this value. Same next is empty string. So if I select empty string, what will happen? It will look for empty string and then it will replace with CSM. So that's all about replace text transformation, and in the next class I will explain about split column. Thank you.